There's so many people in there. I don't want to go out there again. This is actually kind of cool. It's kind of like it's still in the city, but it also feels like the middle of nowhere. Hello. Okay, this hostel, I don't know, it's so cute. Like this room, like it's pretty cheap, right? But like you get the mirror almost like full size. Some storage. I got 2 beds in here because they didn't have 1 bed, but yeah. And then we got a little TV over here, a little bench. And then I don't know what this lamp is. This looks kind of weird, but I don't know. And then you can look outside, you know, at least you can see something, you know. Better than nothing. Yeah. You know, there's that moment when you realize that we're waking the kids up at 6:15. We're waking the kids up at 6:15. Means that I'm waking the kids up at 6:15. Which means I don't have to be up by that time, but I have to be like awake enough and, you know, ready and all of that at that time to actually go and wake them up. I did, but like I want to be sleeping right now. I didn't sleep too much. It's gonna be an interesting day. But at least everyone's awake, you know? Yeah. Cool. Now the fun part to like checking in on them again if they actually got up. And, you know, make sure they don't forget anything and that we actually leave on time. Because I think the waking up part was the easy one. I don't want to go out there again. No, it's okay. You know, I love doing it and all that, but these last like 5 minutes right now, probably gonna be the last time it's quiet and I'm by myself until like, well, until like the end of the day, like until we're home again, which is gonna be a while. But anyways, you know, breakfast is ready, so you know we're gonna get them soon, get them down to, you know, get their food, and then we're gonna leave to the tournament, and then, you know, they're gonna play the tournament, and then I don't know what we're doing after, kind of keeping them busy until we go to the train station to take the train home. But this time we don't have to transfer, it's only one train, which makes it good. That's way better, not as stressful. And who knows, maybe I can be productive on the train again. I'll try. Done with room checks, you know, making sure they don't forget anything. Now going downstairs so we can get our food and then leave, because we need to leave. So we need to, you know, walk to the train, so I really never know how fast they're gonna walk. There's so many people in there, so I'm just gonna film outside real quick. Actually, this is nice. You can do like hands-free. But yeah, we're in the tournament right now. We won the first game, tied the second one, and now we have like 20-minute break, and then we play the third one. We're definitely in the semifinals though, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I can't really do much. You know, I mean, yeah, coaching, you can tell them, you know, you can tell them what to maybe think about in that certain game. You know, I've been watching the other games, kind of seeing how they play, but in the end it's the girls on the field, so we're just kind of there helping them. But this is nice out here. This is actually kind of cool. It's kind of like it's still in the city, but it also feels like the middle of nowhere. But yeah, it's a bit cold, so I'm gonna go inside again. Yeah, oh yeah. Like all the cars. And then I don't know, it's just, well, it rained last night, so, but you know, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere, like, there's these, I don't know why, and then there's the train tracks, like, right there, so, yeah, let's go back inside. It's like a really old gym, like, it's really old, it all looks like it's, like, from, like, 100 years ago. Okay, so we won our last game, like, 5-0, and then now we won the semi-finals 1-0. I know I'm not doing much now, I'm just there, but now we're into the finals. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm filming this today. I'm editing the video. Not today, I'm filming. It's like probably a week after. I don't even know. But I kind of realized I forgot to finish saying anything because it was, I hate that it's like in the glasses. Look at me. Sorry. So we did make it to the finals. The game in the 10 minutes, it was 0-0. So we went to penalties, which is, in there, it's like 7 meters instead of 11, you know? And, you know, because it's a smaller goal as well, and there's only 3 girls shooting instead of 5, and we did lose in penalties. But, considering that, you know, everything, we got a second place. You know, that was a good thing. One of our girls was actually the one who scored the most goals the whole tournament. That was nice. Not that we, you know, that's not the goal. The goal is to score together and win together. But we got second place. That's so good. And yeah, I think that's basically it. It was a I want to say it was a fun weekend, but like it was also exhausting, honestly. It was just like kind of like, oh, I want to sleep, you know, just the whole time. But yeah, you know, it was an experience. I was doing something better than just staying at home doing nothing, you know. So yeah, that's it. Bye.